Hi, I'm so excited that you have decided to take part in this guided fall gardening series. I get really excited this time of year because there's just so much less weed pressure, pest pressure, and it's really enjoyable to be out in the garden when the weather is cooler. I know that sometimes getting started can be the hardest part, or during a time of transition, you might feel stuck. So, that is what this series is here to do. I hope that it helps you. Feel free to respond to any of the emails that you receive with any questions or concerns. I'd love to hear your feedback and hear how you're doing. Enjoy! So as you're answering these questions, I want you to try to picture when you're gonna be doing this. Like, picture yourself doing each of these things. Really envision what your garden is going to look like and what your day is going to look like. How are you going to fit in time for a garden? So you might set your alarm 10 minutes earlier, or make a visit to the garden on your way home from walking your dog. Just think about how you're gonna make this a habit. So I answered I would devote 10 to 15 minutes per day in my garden, or on average 1 hour a week. And then for the next question, why do you want to grow a garden? This question you can sit with over the weekend. Write down what first comes to mind, and then really think about the reasons why you would want to grow a garden. Like, just try and dig deep. Reasons that I grow a garden is to have access to more nutrient-dense foods, fresher ingredients you can't always find at the store, better flavor. I want to share with family and friends. A garden to get outside, to get fresh air and sunshine, and to connect with the earth and be more connected with this whole circle of life. And I garden for exercise. And then probably one of the most important things is deciding where to put your garden. You may not really have much of a choice about where your garden is going to go, and if that's the case, that will decide what you'll be able to grow. But I promise that whatever your circumstance, you will find that there are edibles that you can grow even in shade. And then lastly, it's most important to think about what foods you enjoy eating and cooking with, what foods you like to experience in your kitchen, and maybe some foods that you would like to try. And then if you want to grow flowers, that's cool too. So just take some time to jot this down. It really only takes maybe 5 minutes, but it is so worth it to get clear on these answers before you get started in the garden, because it can become overwhelming. Good luck, and let me know how it's going.